Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to the Tech Integrations playlist of Systeme.io. In this curated playlist, I'm going to walk you through the creation of every video you need to know with all the initial housekeeping setup you need to do. Setting up a domain name, connecting it, setting up your professional email address, Stripe, PayPal, and doing all the techie integrations of SPF, DKIM, and all that good stuff. Now, I know that a lot of this could be a little bit complicated, so I created this playlist so you can just follow step by step, and this is specifically applicable if you're just getting started with your Systeme.io account and your Systeme.io journey. I want you to bear in mind that if you need help with any of the things you're about to see on this playlist, my team is available to be hired to actually do all of these for you, but with you on Zoom. So just bear that in mind. If that's of interest to you, just reach out to me, contact@aranbukai.com, or look at the links in the description. Otherwise, enjoy this playlist and go ahead and DIY this process of all the housekeeping tech integrations with Systeme.io.